In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Magic Eraser tool on Canva. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or just starting out, this tool can significantly ease your workflow by allowing you to seamlessly remove unwanted backgrounds or elements from your images. Stick around and we'll walk through this together in just about 5 minutes. First off, ensure you're logged into your Canva account, and please note that using the Magic Eraser tool requires a Canva Pro subscription. Now, with your desired project open, you'll begin by selecting the image you want to edit. Simply click on the image and it will become highlighted in your workspace, indicating it's ready for you to make modifications. Once you've selected your image, look for the editing options that usually appear above your workspace. You'll need to click on the Edit button, which will open up a variety of image adjustment tools. Selecting Edit is key, as it provides access to many features that will empower you to enhance and customize your image to fit your creative vision. Now here's where the magic truly happens. Look for the Magic Eraser tool in the editing section. A quick reminder, you need to be a Canva Pro user to access this feature. This tool is particularly useful for effortlessly removing elements like backgrounds or watermarks without worrying about the intricate details. Once you've selected the Magic Eraser, you'll see your cursor change, indicating that you're now ready to begin the erasing process. Glide the tool over any unwanted area in the image that you wish to remove, for example a watermark that might be disrupting the clean look of your presentation. Gently highlight the area you intend to erase. It's all about precision here, so don't rush. Take your time to carefully go over the target. As you highlight you'll see a clear area forming over the unwanted element. Once you're satisfied with the selection, click on Erase to execute the tool's function. The area you meticulously highlighted will now vanish from your image, just like magic. This is especially useful for crafting images that might previously have been marred by obtrusive marks or backgrounds. After the unwanted elements have been removed, take a moment to review your work. The edited image should now display only the parts you wish to keep. If necessary, you can always undo and redo the erasure to achieve the perfect cutout. And there you have it, a beautifully cleaned up image, free of unwanted distractions, ready to be used in any of your creative projects. Utilizing the Magic Eraser tool is an excellent way to maintain the professional quality and visual appeal of your designs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your creative process on Canva.